You've probably seen countless faceless YouTube channels with millions of subscribers, racking up insane views and making a ton of money. Well, the secret behind these channels? It's a business model called YouTube automation. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own faceless YouTube automation channel using AI tools. And you can get started right after watching this video. Here's what most people don't realize. All of these successful faceless channels follow the exact same 5-step framework to create their videos. The process may vary slightly, but the core strategy and tools remain the same. If you watch this video until the end, you'll learn the exact formula that has helped people make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you'll be able to apply it to as many channels as you want. Before we dive in, let's clear up a big misconception. YouTube automation doesn't mean bots running your channel. It simply means creating YouTube videos without showing your face and outsourcing the content creation. In the past, people hired freelancers to write scripts, do voiceovers, and edit videos, costing hundreds of dollars per video. But now, you don't need to spend thousands outsourcing, because AI tools can do it all. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a faceless YouTube channel using AI from start to finish, saving you tons of money in the process. I've spent countless hours researching AI software and found the best ones that anyone can use, even if you have zero experience. To show you how to apply all of this, I've chosen a powerful niche, which is health. Now, why health? This niche is evergreen and have high retention. People will always search for health-related content. This niche also has a consistent growth. The demand never fades, and it has massive audience. Everyone wants to improve their health. Take one of my videos, for example. I posted it, and it got more than 150,000 views in just 2 weeks. My channel got 1.6 million views, earning me $3,150 from ad revenue alone. And it's not just me. Other faceless health channels are blowing up too. This niche is proven to go viral if done right. But most faceless channels make money through ad revenue. You know those annoying ads before videos? But what you might not know is that you won't start earning money right away. To monetize your channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. When I first started 6 years ago, it took me a whole year to hit that milestone. But with the knowledge I have now, I monetized my new channel in just 33 days. Now, let's get into how to create the actual video. Before we start creating videos, the first step is branding your channel. This is crucial because a strong brand will help your channel stand out and attract the right audience. Channel branding includes your channel name, logo, banner, description, and SEO settings. Each of these elements plays a role in making your channel look professional and helping it get discovered. The first thing you need is a unique and memorable name for your channel. To generate name ideas, you can use ChatGPT. Simply type, "I need name ideas for my YouTube channel in the health niche." The names must be short, clear, and unique. ChatGPT will generate several suggestions. Pick a name that fits your content and is easy to remember. But before finalizing, you need to check if the name is available on YouTube. Go to YouTube, type the channel name in the search bar, and filter results by channels. If no one else is using it, you're good to go. Now that you have a name, it's time to create your logo and banner. You don't need any design skills for this. Just use Canva. Go to Canva and search for logo templates. Choose a design you like and customize it with your brand colors, fonts, and any adjustments you want. Once your logo is ready, create a YouTube banner using Canva's banner templates. Keep it simple and make sure it matches your logo. You can also add a tagline or an upload schedule, like new videos every week. After finalizing the designs, download them and upload them to your YouTube channel. A well-written channel description helps YouTube understand what your channel is about and encourages viewers to subscribe. To make this easy, use ChatGPT. Type, "Write a description for a YouTube channel named Put Your Channel Name Here," which is in the health niche. ChatGPT will generate a description for you. Adjust it if needed, then copy and paste it into your YouTube settings. The last step in branding is SEO optimization. This helps YouTube categorize your channel and recommend your content to the right audience. Go to YouTube Studio settings, then click on Channel and add keywords that describe your niche, like health tips, fitness, weight loss, mental wellness, healthy lifestyle. This tells YouTube's algorithm what your channel is about, making it easier for people to find your videos. At this point, your channel branding is done. Now, let's move on to the next step of our framework, which is writing a script. A great script is the foundation of a successful video. It gets viewers engaged, improves retention, and ultimately helps your channel grow. But writing a good script isn't easy, especially if you've never done it before. It can take hours or even days to craft a script manually. The good news? You don't have to be a professional writer. Thanks to AI, you can create high-quality scripts in minutes. To generate a script with AI, you need to give ChatGPT a detailed and structured prompt. The better your prompt, the better your script will be. Here's what to include in your prompt. Let ChatGPT know what type of content you're creating. For example, this is a health-related video. Now enter your video title. For example, 10 foods that naturally boost your immune system. Now tell ChatGPT what type of script you want. For example, write this in an engaging and informative tone. Now specify how long your video should be. For example, make the script around 1,200 words for a 7-minute video. Now tell ChatGPT who is your target audience. For example, this is for an audience interested in natural health and wellness. Here you can also add important keywords. For example, include keywords like immune-boosting foods, healthy diet, and natural remedies. Once your prompt is ready, hit Generate, and ChatGPT will create a structured, engaging script with all the necessary parts: hook, introduction, main content, and call to action. But don't just copy and paste the script as it is. Always review it carefully. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Read through the script and make sure the facts are accurate. Making small edits will ensure that your script feels authentic and engaging rather than robotic. Writing a script like this manually would take hours or even days. With AI, you can do it in minutes. This is why learning to use AI tools like ChatGPT is crucial for YouTube automation. It saves you time, effort, and money, allowing you to focus on growing your channel and creating more content. Now that your script is ready, the next step is turning it into a professional voiceover. A few years ago, this process was time-consuming and expensive. You had to hire a voice artist, send them the script, wait a few days for the recording, and pay a high fee. But that's no longer necessary. AI-generated voices have become so realistic that they sound just like real humans. And the best part? You can use them for free. The best platform for AI-generated voiceovers is ElevenLabs. It offers thousands of ultra-realistic voices that you can choose from, and it's also one of the most affordable options available. When selecting a voice, you have two options. Use a standard AI-generated voice from the default selection, or go with a professional voice, which sounds far more natural and realistic. Since I've professionally cloned my own voice, you can use my exact voice through ElevenLabs. Just select it from the library, and you'll have a high-quality AI-generated voiceover that sounds just like me. If you prefer a different voice, ElevenLabs has a huge library of options. Here's how to find the best one for your health videos. Click on Voices and go to the library. Set the language to English and choose your preferred accent. For example, American, British. Click the filter icon and set the category to high quality. And then select the gender and age based on the tone you want for your video. Listen to different voices one by one until you find the perfect match. Once you've picked a voice, all that's left to do is generate the voiceover. Paste your script into the text box, click Generate Speech, and wait a few seconds. Listen to the result. If you're not satisfied, tweak the settings and regenerate. Once you're happy with it, click Download and save the audio file for your video. Now that we have a script and voiceover, the next step is gathering visuals to bring our video to life. These visuals include videos, images, and animations that help keep viewers engaged. There are two main ways to get visuals for your video. First is getting stock footages from free or paid websites and AI-generated images and videos. Using the right tools, you can create high-quality visuals without needing to shoot anything yourself. The easiest way to get high-quality visuals is by using stock footage. There are plenty of websites where you can download videos for free, as well as paid options for premium content. The best free sources for stock footage are from pixabay.com, pexels.com, videvo.net, and paid stocks websites are istock.com and storyblocks.com. To find the right footage, just type keywords into the search bar that match your script. For example, if your video is about how to boost your immune system, you can search for healthy food preparation, people exercising, doctors giving advice, natural remedies like herbs and teas. Once you find relevant clips, download them and organize them according to your script sections. If you know the right tools, you can create high-quality visuals without filming anything yourself. The tool I'm about to show you takes it to the next level. With this tool, you can create ultra-realistic images and even turn them into videos with just one click. To a site called lumalabs.ai. Here's how it works. Type a description of the image you want in the prompt box. Since we're making content in the health niche, we need visuals related to the topic. For example, you'll need images and animations of healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Click Generate, and Lumalabs will create a high-quality, realistic image. But that's not even the best part, because you can turn it into a short animated video with just one click. Click on the image, then select the Make Video button. In the prompt box, type "Turn this image into a smooth video animation." The tool will process it, and you'll have an AI-generated video clip ready to use. Now that all your visuals are ready, the next step is editing everything together to create a professional video. Now that we have all the assets, voiceover, visuals, and AI-generated clips, it's time to put everything together in an editing software and create a polished video that's ready to be posted on YouTube. A lot of people ask me how I edit my videos, and while editing can make a big difference, the truth is you don't need high-end editing to be successful, especially when you're just starting out. Instead of spending money on editors, it's better to learn how to edit yourself in the beginning. You don't need any prior experience because I'll show you exactly how to edit your video in a way that keeps viewers engaged. And the best part? You can do it for free. There are tons of editing software out there, but for this tutorial, we'll be using CapCut. CapCut is 100% free, easy to use, and powerful enough to create high-quality YouTube videos. If you learn how to use it, you can produce videos that look just as good as those edited in expensive software like Premiere Pro. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import the voiceover and all the visuals, both stock footage and AI-generated clips. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline as your base layer. Start adding in the visuals one by one, matching them to the script so the visuals align perfectly with what's being said. To make the video look more smooth and professional, you'll want to add transitions between clips. Click on Transitions in the top left. Choose a simple effect like fade or blur. Avoid anything too flashy. Drag the transition between two clips. Instead of repeating this for every clip, click Apply to All on the right. This will automatically add transitions between all clips, saving you time. Now, this is a crucial step. Captions are one of the best ways to increase watch time and retention. A study found that adding captions to videos boosts retention by 25%, which can mean the difference between 100 views or 1,000,000 views. Here's how to add captions in CapCut. Click on Text in the top left. Select Auto Captions and choose English as the language. Click Generate, and CapCut will automatically transcribe your entire voiceover in seconds. Customize the captions by changing the font, color, and size to match your branding. Adding captions in a unique style makes your videos easier to recognize and helps viewers engage with your content even when watching on mute. Now that everything is edited, all that's left to do is export your video. Click Export in the top right corner. Choose 1080p resolution for the best quality. Hit export and your video will be ready in just a few minutes. And that's it. You've just created a complete faceless YouTube video using AI. Now it's time for you to take action. The only difference between those making money with YouTube automation and those who aren't is execution. Start applying what you've learned today and you'll be one step closer to building a successful YouTube channel. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more automation strategies, and drop a comment if you have any questions.